Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tanmai's Experiments. So today we are gonna unbox the watch Urban Lives. So firstly let's see the features of this watch. It is a smart calling watch. Listen music from watch, zinc alloy casing, bigger display, Bluetooth 5.0, multiple sports mode, heart rate monitor, weather forecast, IP68 water resistant, up to 30 days standby, up to 8 days runtime, and then sleep monitor, blood and oxygen, like it calculates, dual UI menu, and calls and social notifications. So friends, that's all about the features of the watch. Now let's unbox the watch. So friends, firstly now let's power on the watch so that it gets switches on. Actually there will be no charging in it. I have already charged it to show it in the video. Firstly you have to charge it, and then you'll be able to switch on. So this is the home page, and then here you'll be getting different wall faces. Firstly here there are many things like weather, how much you have walked, and then footsteps, and then you have some heart rate and etc. I guess this is not BP. I'm not able to understand what is this. And then these are the watch faces. If you long press on the home screen, then you will be able to get the watch faces. In the same way you will be able to change them also. So this is about watch faces. Now let's get into other features. So here this is about the charging. Now if you pull the screen down, here you're getting this brightness option. You can increase or decrease the brightness. Here the one to the left of the brightness option is Bluetooth, but the image is like calling. Here for the dual UI menu you have two options, that is honeycomb and some grid one, 9 place grid. So if you can choose any one of them. For that you have to go into the settings in the same place, and then next you have this weather forecast. After weather forecast, it is about the watch here, all about the watch. And then here you have many options. So brightness, so it's brightness is the first option, and then it's phone off, call reset, shake off, disturb, theater, dial switch, reset, power off, QR code, and all about it. So here I'm opening one option, so you can just have a look. So we are back to the home screen. Here if you pull down, you'll be receiving notifications. I have not yet connected it to my mobiles, that is why it had shown no notice. And then next if you scroll, this is calls option. Here also Bluetooth has to be connected, and this is for music. Bluetooth has to be connected, and then here you can forward the song, backward the song, etc. This is the one which counts the steps. So I had not yet used it, that is why it is showing 0. And then sleep monitor, as we have seen in the features. Here also you can scroll down to know the deep sleep, light sleep, and then etc. This is the heart rate. I have just worn it once, that is why it is showing 96 ppm. Here also you can scroll it. And then the next one is this blood and oxygen, I guess. So here also you can see, no, this is oxygen, this is oxygen level calculator, like the breathing thing. And then the next, so we can even scroll down, and all the options we can scroll down. And then the next is this, the cloud, like the weather forecast. There the Bluetooth is not connected, that is why it did not show us. So here is the dual UI menu, honeycomb, and the one I said 9 place grid. So here also we have all the options, like all the apps I can say. And then if you press on the power button, you'll be back to the home screen. So I'm just showing you few of the apps over here. Yeah, I have decreased the brightness, that is why it is light for you. It is seen light. For most of the things over here, Bluetooth have to be connected. So friends, for this app to connect it to the Bluetooth and to explore all other features, we have to install the app named Dafit. So here I am installing it and it's scanning the app. And then in this we have to enter our details, like this gender, age, weight, height, etc, etc, birth date. And then all, after you select all your things, you can just press the tick in the corner. So friends, we have logged in and this is the home page. Here we are able to see the steps and our sleep, the same thing which we are able to see in our watch, outdoor running and etc. Here we have our steps goal, like how many steps per day we have to do, like we have to put. So our profile is there, and then Google Fit, and about this app and the watch. And then if you press the middle button down, you have other features also. So yeah, you can see here notifications, alarms, others, etc. So this is about device. You can add a device. Now I'm pairing my watch to my mobile. So let's see. um yeah, you can just on the Bluetooth over here. You don't have to on the Bluetooth in your mobile, you have to on, I guess. And then and then it'll recognize your watch and then it'll come. So here you have got watch faces, as I said. You will be getting 200 watch faces nearly in your mobile. So here also now I'm trying to connect it to my mobile Bluetooth also, so that I can hear songs through it, attend calls, and use all other features also, like the running time, steps, and etc. So in mobile you will be getting nearly some 200 watch faces. So next is the shutter option. I'll be showing you. So here shutter option is nothing but there will be a camera in your mobile, right? You can access this through the you can access it to through the watch. So if you press this camera symbol in the watch, the image will be taken in your mobile. So this is about shutter option. Next, it is favorite contacts. You can add all your favorite contacts here, and then others is all settings and all. This is upgrade. If there is any upgrade, you will be getting it here. So you can just press here, and then it will be upgraded in the watch. And then in others, you have find device, time format, unit system, do not disturb, reminders to move, and then continuous heart rate detection, language, audio lock, reset, quick view is something is another section. And that you have quick view and valid period, drink water reminder, weather forecast, psychological cycle reminder, and all other things, etc. So this is all about the watch. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to Tanmai's Experiments.